Hello, let's turn to page 528. For exercise 15C, we're going to creating reports. Reports will let you organize, format, and print the information contained in an attribute table. ArcMap has a built-in report generator that allows you to create simple reports that can be added to your map layout. And for the previous video, we selected postal code areas in the Cabbagetown neighborhood that meet certain criteria defined by your client. The client will target households in these postal code areas for customized marketing campaigns focused on 3 different products sold online: groceries, home and garden products, and vacation packages. So the grocery target areas will receive advertisement designed to entice new customers who have if every purchase grocery online. The home and garden target areas will receive advertisement designed to appeal to existing online customers of such products. And the vacation target areas will get information about family and luxury resort vacation packages. In this video, we're going to create a report so your client can create a customized mailing list. To report you make will be based on vacation target layer, where average household income is $175,000 or more, and 35% or more households spend more than $1,000 annually on online vacation purchases. So now we're going to open this up. The map displays the vacation target layer with 17 postal code areas at the top of the table of contents. So the pink one is. On the View menu, we're going to click Reports. The 4th option, and we're going to create Report. So the Report Wizard dialog box will appear. Now here is the Report Wizard we're going to learn. So the layer table list specify the layer or table you will work with. The Available Fields list lets you choose the attributes to include in your report. You are going to provide your customer with information including the target postal code's average household income, proportions of households that make online vacation travel purchases, and proportion of households that spend more than $1,000 annually online vacation travel purposes. So make sure that the layer table list shows vacation target. It is vacation target. That's what we're going to work on. In the available fields, we're going to click postal code, and we can see the left face arrow. We're going to move it to the report fields. That's what we need. So we click the Add Fields button, so the right facing arrow in the middle of the dialog box, and the postal code field moves from available fields to report fields. In the available field list, in the available fields list, double-click average income to add to the report field list. The same way. And we're going to do the same for vacation. It should be vacation and TRAV, travel, vacation travel, and the online vacation 1,000. And we're going to have 4 fields, report fields in our table. In the upper right portion of the dialog box, we're going to click Report Viewer Contents. It's right here, Report Viewer Contents fields, and we're going to click Postal Code. We allow arrow. So the arrow is down here, and we're going to click postal codes. This means this field will be displayed when you preview the report. Good. The vacation target layer you created already has the postal code areas you want to report. If you don't create this layer, you could still create a report that uses the selected postal area. To do this, we're going to click Dataset Options for this Wizard panel and click the Select Set option. This outputs only the selected features to the report. So the Report Wizard dialog, we're going to click Next and then click Next again. And for this, you can see, do you want to add any group levels? So now we don't do anything for this, and we're going to, we will not be adding any group levels. So we're going to click Next again. In the Next panel, in the field column, we're going to select VG1000 from the drop-down list. And we're going to make a descending. And then we sort the column select descending for from the drop-down menu for vacation 1000. And in the report target, postal code areas will appear in order from the highest to the lowest proportion of the households that spend more than 1,000 annually on online vacation travel. In the next panel, we're going to set the orientation to landscape and then click Next. Landscape, and the other thing we don't need to change, and make sure adjust to the field width so all fields fit in a single row in the report. And the Havelock default style is selected. We're going to go Next, Havelock default, scroll down for the list and click going to do Toronto. It will be Toronto. Then click Next. These styles have more to do with colors than any real relation to the city. So replace the text in the title box with Vacation Target Report. And make sure the Review Report option is selected and click Finish. Replace the and then a preview of the report will appear. The size of your dialog box may be different, but you probably can see the whole report. The list at the top of the dialog box lets you change the preview scale. It doesn't change the printing size of the report. If you like the report the way it looks, you could click Print to send it to your printer. Most reporters, including this one, need additional work. For example, the headings need to be better aligned. In step 11, in the following step, we're going to learn how to give a report professional look by setting a few of its properties. So I'm going to make this window a little bigger. So now, in the left corner of the report review window, click Add button. Add. And then the window change to Report Designer window. The Report Designer is a template layout tool to help you edit the appearance of your report. The upper right box lists the report components you can customize. below it are the element properties associated with the highlighted component and the current value of each property. When a report component is highlighted, the element is selected in the middle of the report template view. The template area represents how your report pages will look. The headings located in the page header section of the template need to be aligned properly. In the template area, click in the template area right here, we're going to click average income page header, not detail component. The items selected in the template area have their property display under element property. Scroll down the list to see different categories: appearance, behavior, data, design, and layout. So now appearance, behavior, data, design, and layout. So you can see this list to confirm that the correct item in the template has been selected by viewing the data selection under data. In element property under the appearance category, change the alignment property to right. So from alignment, you can see left, and there is a drop down menu. We're going to click not justify right. And alternatively, click the alignment right button in the scroll in the control above the design element lists. Repeat the same right alignment for the vacation, travel. Make it to the right. Oh, not justify, it's easy to click the wrong one. And then the same with the VG100. So for the page header components, we did that. Then in the upper left portion of the window, click the Run Report button to preview the report. So it should be a play button. Run report. Oh, right here. It is so tiny. Okay, now we can see a lineup better. The average household income and vacation, travel and vacation gross travel over 100 headings are now aligned properly to the column values. So we're going to change the template elements properties to see how the change affects your report. We're going to edit the text of headings, change spacing between values, change text appearance, and more. We will do that later once we have time. So now we're going to print our report. In the left upper portion of the report viewer window, we can click print button, but I don't have a printer, so we are not going to print. And within the map document, you can add a report to layout by clicking the Add Report to ArcMap button. So you can see the report will be attached here, and we still have to edit that window. Okay. If you have a saved report on disk, we can save it, reports, and then you can save it and print it out by determine what you want to use it for. Okay, now we're going to close it up. We're going to move to next chapter, chapter 16, selecting features by location. Okay, we have covered chapter 15, and now we're going to move on to chapter 16, selecting features by location. See you next time.